What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Valorant on your Windows PC. So if you haven't heard about Riot Games, then welcome. Then here you got it. Riot Games is another option that you can use, something like Ubisoft, and you can easily find games here and you can download the client and you can play games directly through that, right? So you can install the games through your client and yeah, you can get it. So it contains Valorant as well. And so what you want to do is easily head over to rightgames.com, create an account. You can easily create that with your Google account, your PlayStation account, your Facebook account, your these accounts, right? They allow you to quickly sign in and do a few steps to create an account with ease. And so what you want to do once you have an account is sign in and click where it says Riot Games on the upper left, drop down here, and you will find a few games here. You have the Leagues of Legend and you also have Valorant. So if you're looking for Valorant, you click here, open up a new tab, and you will see it says play for free. And so you can click on that. What it's going to do, it's going to take you over to this page where you can easily download. So as you can see, it's available on your PC, your Xbox, and your PlayStation. Click on PC, then click, of course, you will say that needs you to sign in. So you click, I have an account. So you click on sign in, and your same account that you have, you just want to go ahead and, basically sign in to your account. So enter your password. Sometimes you try this, guys, and it doesn't detect your password correctly, but don't worry, just say that you want to switch account. And once you do that, you'll select your Gmail, for example, and sign in, and it's gonna allow you to sign in, which will now redirect you back to this page. And you can just simply click download the game. As you say, it said download the game. You click on download the game, and right away you see that it downloads. Now, once you download the game, you will have this exe file. You can click on it to run it. This will need to be installed through the client. And so once you click on install Valorant, what's gonna happen, you will get this pop up right here on your computer, as you can see, and it says that it's going to require 27 gigs, and you can click on install. You click on that, it's like a pre-preparation, but it will now allow you to install this through the client, right? And so you'll need to have the Riot Games client for you to proceed with the installation. I have it, and so once once it detects it, it's going to open up in the Riot Games client, and so it will say for you to sign in again. So you do the process, you sign in, and within the client, it's going to allow you to install it. The important thing, as you can see right here, it says that and open client. The important thing that you want to know is that you need to have the space, the size on your computer, right? And having that is going to allow you to install the game, right? So as you can see right here, it says install, and all you have to do is click on install from here. Then it's going to say the path, and you just hit install, and yeah, it's going to continue. No, I don't want to install this directly in my PC at this moment, but you get the general idea how you can install it. I'm gonna pause this. Because what it does is gonna go through the steps to download, install. It's gonna install on your computer, right? Directly through the client. Once it is finished, you'll be able to play it. You'll open the client and you'll be able to play the game by clicking on the game directly from here or launch it. And so here you can see it's preparing. I'm gonna pause it right here, but this is where you'll have it, and so you will be able to see it. You can see that I'm already installing one game right here. This is the Leagues of Legends, and you can see right here that I'm currently installing this one as well. So you can install even multiple games at the same time, just wait for it to do its thing and process. And so you have a few options here. You have the League of Legends, you have the Valorant, you have, more options here that you can download on your computer, and you can play these games directly from this application. And that's it. Go ahead and try it out, guys. I wish you all the best, and you can download and install the game and give it a shot. You can play it. And that's it.